If you're a content creator, entrepreneur, or part of a remote team looking to supercharge your productivity and organize your digital life, the Notion app system is a game changer. Inspired by Josh Red's Perspectives method, this system offers over 30 premium Notion templates that transform your workspace into a powerful, all-in-one hub. You get everything from a fully integrated second brain to business and personal CRMs, company OKRs, and a master content calendar, all designed to help you manage tasks, projects, and notes seamlessly. The unique sidebar and settings system makes navigation easy whether you're on desktop or mobile, helping you stay focused and efficient. Plus, you get lifetime access to all current templates and future updates, along with step-by-step onboarding and productivity courses to master Notion quickly. Whether you want to streamline your workflow, stay organized, or boost your team's collaboration, the Notion app system is built to help you work smarter, not harder. The starting price is just $39 with a 60-day refund policy, making it a risk-free investment in your productivity. Don't wait. The purchase link is in the description below. Upgrade your Notion workspace today and revolutionize how you work.